Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today we are in Cambridge. First up we got Giggling Squid, which is a Thai restaurant. I've been meaning to go since it opened but just hadn't been to Cambridge in a while. Overall, what I can say is that it's a very pretty place. It just looks beautiful inside. Beautiful. So I don't live too far from Cambridge. It was only like what, half an hour drive, not even, to get here. And like sun's out, everything. We're sitting right outside of King's College. We went King's College about 2 years ago, went inside. You had to pay to get inside. We were just sitting out. There's loads of people just out here sitting, having picnics, but we didn't have any food. We actually just ate out actually, so we're not hungry. We ate at the Giggling Squid, which was nice. Giggling Squid was nice. The waitress, she was like the nicest waitress. Oh, nice, probably the nicest waitress I ever had actually. I never had, you know, waitresses aren't that nice usually.
No, I just weren't nice before.
Oh, well, not me. Not with me.
Shit, yeah.
It's nice location. There's like a bird cage in there. It's just nice. The decor was really decoring. So we thought we would explore Cambridge today because we took some days off and we didn't really know what to do. And plus today the weather's nice. Cloudy but sunny here and there. Today's a Saturday, so today is busy. So we booked Giggling Squid. They had nothing for dinner time, so we went early for lunch, and then we are going to go to the Fitzwilliam Museum. I've been before when they were reconstructing a lot of things, so I didn't actually see much. That was pretty much fully booked as well. The only booking that we could get in was at 3:45. So we're just chilling right now. It's currently, what's the time?
2:15.
It's currently 2:15. It doesn't take that long to get here. We're like in the center anyway. We're just chilling. We're picnicking without the picnic.
Forever, ever, thanks baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand how you taking all my time.
You get it. You get it.
Yeah.
Get it. Once we got out, there was a whole film crew filming out just outside where we were sitting. They were filming a Bollywood film called Our Love Story. Apparently it's by like a well-known Bollywood director. I don't watch Bollywood, so I have no idea. So now we are gonna go to the Fitzwilliam Museum. Yeah, let's go. So we don't go to Cambridge often, and now we know the reason why. So essentially, we just came back, and tell me why. I'm getting the receipt. So it was £24.20 for parking, and it wasn't even the most expensive one. There was a thing below it. If we stayed an extra hour, which we were gonna go for dessert, which I'm glad we did not, because we would have paid £35, and that £35 was the max. But £24 for parking, never in my life. I've never paid this much. Have you ever paid this much for parking?
Parking?
No, I
think
have.
max is 12 or £12.
Yeah. No, max for me was £15. I remember paying £15 when I went to Liverpool, and I thought, whoa, that's a lot. But £24.
That's a whole meal.
£24. Like, now I remember why we don't go to Cambridge often. Anyways, when we were in the museum, I got a message from Paula's Choice. I don't know what it was. I didn't have any signal and I haven't checked my phone, so I'm going to check it. I got a message from Paula's Choice. It says, Paula's Choice UK wants to send you a message. And I'm like, Paula's Choice wants to send me a message? Whenever it loads, but anyways, as it loads, so we're back home, and yesterday we made summer rolls and we had like a whole plate left in the fridge, and we're like, oh, let's go home and eat some summer rolls. It's all gone. So we're gonna make some more summer rolls because we still got some noodles left over, and then we don't exactly have like the meat, the filling, the prawns to go with it, but we got some like prawns.
Chicken. Is it prawns?
I thought it was battered prawns. I don't know. Anyways, my messages are still loading. Come on, internet. Oh my god!
What?
Hi Emily, we would love to send you some personalized skincare following your recent YouTube video featuring our 2% BHA liquid exfoliant to help find a product that works for your skin. Oh my god, and I said, could you let us know your skin type concerns and goals first, and we can pull together a personalized routine for you. Love Team PC.
Wow.
You know what? Okay, paid £25 for parking, but I'll get it back in Paula's Choice. Because Paula's Choice is not a cheap skincare brand. Oh my god, I can't believe that.
Yeah,
Paula's Choice.
That's cool.
Paula's Choice X Emily. No, I'm kidding. Anyways, so I still can't get over Paula's Choice messaging me. Because I'm a nobody. I'm really not. I'm really a nobody. Anyways, so we're making our own version of summer rolls because we don't have all the ingredients. So I'm gonna air fry some takeaway popcorn chicken. How do you say it in Italian? Appetiti?
Buon appetito.
Oh, buon appetiti.
Buon appetito.
Oh, where'd I get titi
What's
from?
titi?
We've got summer rolls, but instead inside we've got like battered prawns and like Chinese takeaway popcorn chicken. But besides that, summer rolls and got sauce. Always gotta have this sauce.